Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tamara, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a couple of my favorite ways to gift wrap. This craft paper is awesome. I've had it, this is going to be like my third year of using it. A little goes a long way. We'll see, maybe this will be the year I finally run out. This is a great base to start with, pretty and simple. The second way I like to decorate gifts is with fabric. These are awesome. These are just beautiful like little tea towels I picked up from the Dollarama. So simple, cut them up or leave them whole, whatever the size of your gift. Super easy. Using twine is a fantastic way to dress it up and make it look really pretty. And again, the twine against the brown craft paper, so freaking pretty. Like, look at that. Gorgeous. And then that's twine that I picked up 3 years ago from, I do believe it was Home Sense. And a little bit, again, goes a super long way. So simple, look at that. And then if you want to get like a little bit more bougie or, you know, just add a little bit more personality, these are artificial plants, or you can add like little candy canes. And then that's it, that's the final look. So simple, so easy, and look how pretty that is. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.